my market maker sell or buy models. Okay, market maker buy or sell models are basically, let's go to a blank chart. Let's go to a monthly. Let's reset it. Let's move this. And let's do this. Market maker buy or sell models. Actually, let's do this. What the hell? Perfect. Market maker buy or sell models. This is something really, really, really nice. Okay, let's look for this right here. This is a market maker buy or sell model. Okay, let's remove this. Perfect. This is a market maker buy or sell model. First impulse, accumulation. Second impulse, accumulation. Third impulse, distribution. And then we change to this. Okay, this is a market maker buy model right here. Let's remove this. This is the first accumulation phase, second accumulation phase, reversal, first distribution phase, second distribution phase, reversal, and it repeats on and on and on. Okay? You're probably seeing this in the market and you see, okay, this is exactly how the market operates. Yep, that's exactly how the market operates. Okay? It will induce liquidity once a higher time frame PD array is tapped. Once a higher time frame PD array is tapped, same thing over here. We can expect price to do a reversal, short term or long term, depending on the time frame we're looking at, because this is fractal on every single time frame. Okay, so first accumulation, second accumulation, reversal phase, first distribution, second distribution, reversal phase, and so on. Let's remove this and let's go to the chart. Where's the higher time frame? Right here. Accumulation, reversal. Okay. Reversal. First accumulation. Second accumulation. Remember, they accumulate at the up candles. Reversal. First accumulation. Second accumulation. Reversal. This was a short accumulation, reversed after taking these stops right here. This was a long accumulation for a while, even years, 4 years accumulation. This was the first accumulation after leaving the range. I will consider this event, because this is a big range, I will consider this the reversal phase, because as you can see it's below the range. So this will be the reversal. Below the range, accumulate. First accumulation actually right here. Second right here. And after taking the liquidity over here, this is the reversal phase, in my opinion. Okay. I could be wrong. We could head all the way over here. It's likely. I don't know. I do not control the markets, but I look in probabilities. Okay? This could be their second accumulation phase, but for me, in my experience, it looks more like a reversal. So we're going to get some distribution here. Okay, above this high, we distribute. Okay, then we head lower. Okay, how can we know? Well, we have to start disrespecting bullish arrays. Accumulating something like this, distribute, accumulate, distribute. Here we can think, okay, this would be our reversal phase. We're at 98. That's how you see a market maker, and it's the same on all the lower time frames. Accumulation, accumulation, another phase of accumulation, reversal right here, expands, accumulation, accumulation, reversal, accumulation below these lows, first accumulation, second accumulation, and where is it likely for us to then explode to? These highs, and on the highs, reversal to go lower, reversal, accumulation, accumulation, then our distribution reversal, then we just accumulate again, and then we reverse. But note something about this. Can you see here something, some pattern? The same places where price accumulated at, it's the same places it's going to try to accumulate at as well. It accumulated here, it starts accumulating there over again. It accumulated here, it accumulates over here again. Okay, it accumulated here, it accumulates over here again. Same thing here. Once we break through, we accumulate. Once we break through, we accumulate. Once we break through the zones of accumulation of a downtrend, then it accumulates there. What's the next zone? This was the next zone of accumulation. We accumulate over there. You can see this is the accumulation zone. We accumulate there over again. Then we distribute. We have our reversal right here below the lows. Where was our phase of accumulation? Right here. We accumulate again. Second phase on this down candle because they buy on the down candles. We accumulate over there again. Where was the other accumulation? There. We accumulate over again. And where's the other accumulation? Right here. This was a reversal accumulation. We accumulate over here again. This is the last, in my opinion, and I will take these stops where reverse for going lower. Okay, that's market maker buy or sell models.